Before this, here concept is define test result. Define test result. Here two scenarios. First scenario, UFT. UFT provides test result. Test result for every test iteration. Tell me, Jay Shetty, what is test iteration? Again and again. Test iteration. Anita Raj, test iteration. Mm, Cycle of execution. One cycle of execution. Suppose you have one test, login test. If you execute that login test 10 times, UFT provides 10 test results. Result 1, result 2, result 3, like 10 iterations. Getting this point? See, phase is not correct term. Phases may vary. Phase is not correct term. Cycle of execution. One cycle of execution. Suppose one test is there. If you execute the test for 2 times, 2 iterations, 2 test results. One time, 1 iteration, 1 result. 100 times, 100 iterations, 100 results. Any confusion? Okay, cool. UFT provides test result for every test iteration. Here one condition. If we use UFT tool features, UFT tool features like checkpoints, single word, checkpoints, output values, next transaction points, etc. Next, another scenario. If we use our own logic, means VB script features, then we need to define test result. Say, if the user means tester, the user uses own logic, means VB scripting features, then user need to define test result. User need to define test result. Okay, now Brenda, tell me when UFT provides test result and when user need to define test result. Uh, mm, uh, mm, good. See, whenever we use our own logic, we need to define test results. Okay. How to define test result? Say, using a reporter, it is utility object. Using reporter utility object, we can define test result. Uh, Already statement is there now. I will explain the statement. Concentrate. See, this is one example. See, first in the statement, I will explain every word. Reporter, it is utility object for defining test result. Next, report event, method or operation on that object. Next, to, to status of result, status of result. Tell me, Silpa, we have four types of result status in UFT test automation. Na? What are the four types? Hmm. Hmm. Good. Pass, fail, done, warning. See here, you can use either zero, either zero or mic, mic pass, Microsoft integer conversion pass. Next, you can use either zero or mic pass for pass status. Next, either one or mic, mic fail, mic pass, mic fail, reserved words, no double quotes required. No double quotes. For fail status. Next, you can use either to or make done for done status. Next, either 3 or make warning for warning status. See here I used 2 for done status. Why I am using done status? Here no verification point in this test. Only measuring the transaction time. If it is 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 15 seconds, pass or fail is not the criteria. Here just done status. See, instead of this 2, you can use make, make done like this. Next, this res1 within double quotes. Just a minute. Res1 result step name. It is mandatory. Any meaningful name you can use. Suppose in why this result step name? Suppose in our test multiple verification points are there. We are returning multiple results. That time for easy identification purpose, you can use result 1, result 2, result 3. Otherwise, login result, open order result, insert order result like. See, result step name. Any meaningful name you can use. Next, transaction time is. Transaction time is. See, details. Any meaningful details you can write. Or you can say message. Next, this ampersand sign. Surendra, what is this ampersand sign in VB script? Concatenation operator. It joins, it combines two messages or two variable values or one message and one variable value, etc. See, concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. Next, This transaction time is, it is just variable. See, this is about defining test result. Just a minute. Tell me, Silpa, what is this reporter? Reporter event. Next two. Next res1. Next transaction time is details. Next this ampersand sign, concatenation operator. Next transaction time, variable. Okay, good. Put mute. Okay, now Surendra understood this one. Defining test result. Okay, just a minute. I will show pass fail status also. Say dim A comma B, A equal to 100, B equal to 200, if A greater than B, then MSG box local display reporter dot report event. Next make pass, either 0 or make pass. Next res. Next details. A is a big number. Next else make file B is a big number. See, you can use either make file or 1. B is a big number. Observe Arjun, condition is true or false? False. So it will execute else part. See, result status fail, details B is a big number. Open result window. See, result status failed. See, B is a big number failed. Suppose A 1000, B 200. This time condition is correct, then it will execute A is a big number. Passed, this one test will pass and script will pass, and A is a big number. See, passed. See, status of result passed. A is a big number. See, this is pass fail status. Earlier we used done status. Just done. Why we use done? No verification points in that test. Only measuring transaction. Next, I will show warning status also. Concentrate. Warning status. See, open order operation. Open an order. Stop. Suppose I want to open first 5 orders for I equal to 1 to 5. Step 1, increment 1. One increment is optional. One increment is default. For one increment, you no need to write step. Anyhow, that we will discuss in VB script flow control statements chapter. Pass I as parameter. If you want to observe the test execution process, insert wait statement, it is optional. Opening 1 to 5 orders. Run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, just a minute. I want to open 15 to 20 orders. Run the script. 15, 16, 17. Problem happened. Identify the problem. Surendra, what is the problem? Does not exist. Suppose yesterday we executed the same script executed properly. Today somebody deleted that 17 to 20 records. See, unexpected error. How to handle this one? See, terminate the loop. Don't concentrate on this termination. Concentrate on reporter. Anyhow, this we will explain. This I will explain in VB script loop statements chapter. Once again we will discuss. Now only concentrate on reporter defining test result. This is the base state. If error handling, if so and so error pop up, just a minute. If so and so error pop up exists within 3 seconds, see, for checking the object existence 2 or 3 seconds enough. Then click on the default button. Next, exit for terminate the loop. Next, end if. See, condition within the loop. Define test result. Reporter dot report event make warning. Next, res details up to concatenate I minus 1. Why I am writing I minus 1? Suppose I equal to 17. 17 not available means I minus 1, 16 only available. Concatenate orders only exist. Run the script. See, 15th order. Next, 16th. 17. Observe Arjun. Loop terminated na? Open result. See, yellow color, warning status. Observe Shivaram. Up to 16 orders only exist. Warning status means execution interrupted. Shivaram, okay na? I think all of you familiar with all types of status. Done, pass, fail, done, and warning. Okay.